We approached the government for rebates for the decomposter. One of our attributes why we wanted to use it on this site and not use it on another site was the availability of solar on this site, so we could enhance the benefit and not have it as a pure power usage out on another site. The excess power that we're using, we've mimicked with our web-based app to find what time slot we were actually not using power and there was power in excess, and that's when we would start the machine up. So in that sense, it gives us the most input into the system that allows it to heat up and start generating enough heat for it to start decomposing the material. Our food scraps that are wastage, we go through a process at our shops, actually donate those cakes and pies that are left over at the end of the day to our charity groups, and then we move on to what isn't used at the end of the day. We put through our dehydrator, compost, and we turn it into a composting fertiliser. We basically use the system twice a day with an average of about 50 kilograms a day going into the system. And by doing this, we're achieving 100 kilograms per day. We're getting a reduction. A lot of our product is already semi-dry, if you like, in dry pastries and things like that. And we're getting about a 50% reduction in that system. So 1 tonne of material going into the system over a period of time would achieve 500 kilograms of compost material out the other end.